Leroy, are you just gonna lay in the snow? What are you doing? Huh? You're not gonna play? Ah! What are you doing? You just gonna lay there? Okay. Here we go. Start date. January 26th, the year 2026. We got a massive snowstorm. Ye flippin' ha. And Mark, you think you want to move back to Ohio?
Go get that salt. I want to try something.
I'm videoing first.
Go get the salt.
Oh, I have to go get the salt. Okay. Sorry, gotta go back in and get the salt. Alright, salt. Hey, for salt and that, but okay. Okay.
That's the full one?
Where's the full one? Oh, right there. Dirty-der. Dirty-der. Okay. Sorry.
Not full, but
Full. There's. Okay.
for
Okay.
shut the door.
Everything is white as far as the eye can see. Yeah. Look at that. Oh my. My poor husband. I think we live in Alaska. Let's go take a look down here. Okay. Whew. We had to shovel our way out. It's like at least a foot deep. I made a very nice snow angel. Just to tell you how deep. Hold on. Yeah. This is... Oh poop, I'm not very good at filming. It is up to my knees, but I can't film that well.
Are you filming for... Huh?
Huh?
Are you going to film for Tammy?
Or Mark? I'm trying to film how far it is up to my knees, but I can't hold the camera far enough away.
It's a shovel.
Terrible. Do you want to film for a second?
No.
Talk to Mark? Anything you want to say?
I'm cold at all. I'm sweating already.
Yeah?
Doing that.
How do you feel about all this?
Should have never moved back from Florida.
What do you want to say to your brother?
Don't.
Okay.
If you only had this once a year, it wasn't that bad, I guess.
This is not fun.
If you only had this once a year, it wasn't that bad, I guess.
This is not fun. No. Yeah. I am up to my knees in snow. Yeesh. Oh. Look at this. Ooh. And of course the snow trucks make it all just so nice. I see. Huh? Oh yeah, look at that. We gotta get out so I can go to work tomorrow. Well, I think you get enough of the idea. My hand is about to fall off. Enjoy. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Don't.